Alright, second YouTube video of my channel. We're going to be replacing my wheels on this car because the tyre tread's getting a bit low and I fancied a change. And whilst I'm doing it, this driver headlight is also out, and there's a special way you got to do these cars, so I'll post that on there too. First thing I've done is I've loosened all the lug nuts, and we're locking wheel nuts on the car to make sure that they all can be undone. I'm not going to get 3 tyres through the car and then the 4th one won't come off, save myself some hassle. So I've already broke all the nuts off, so I'm going to bring the wheels round. So with some BMWs, they've got bigger tyres on the back. So on the front, this one is 225/40, and on the back it's, can't even find it, 255/35. So don't get that mixed up like I did the first time. Well, I couldn't find my jack stand, so now I'm searching for this thing. I don't like using it though. So I'm going to find that GoDaddy thing and start cranking it. Yeah. So there's 2 down, 2 to go, and 1 headlight. Easy. I'll just stop for some dinner quickly. Onto the last wheel and the dipped headlight change. Let's go. Alright, so I'm on the headlight change now. I've got the inner lining off. So you have to take the screws off all around it. There's a 10mm there, all down there in the bumper. And that gives you access to this cover, which is where your lights will be, which I believe they're like a something 20 torque bit, which is one of these. Get that off, and then once you've undone that, that will give you access to this light, which I've got no idea how to take out. I was told there was clips. I can't see any clips. Just like that, all 4 wheels are done. Headlight, 1 headlight working, 2 headlight working.